Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a face mask manually on Dress to Impress. I hope they have this soon, but who knows. I'll just go to E here, and I am going to firstly select the skin tone of the person. Then I'm going to go to the color wheel and I'm going to save that color. So go to saved and save color. You'll need that for later. Then you're going to color the person the color of your mask. I'm going to select black for the color of my mask. Then I am going to go to this section and I'll just select this over here. Make the inside part the skin color. So select the skin color and the outside part the mask that you want. Then go to the codes here and type in this one. To unlock these eyelashes, you'll need them. You can select the normal one, or maybe toggle one is fine. But I'll just do the normal one. Then you're just going to add in some other details. I'll just do that real quick here. Maybe add in bangs to cover it up. And then you can add in skin tones for the hand. Maybe use gloves for it. Then you save colors and use this one. And maybe this one for the neck area, maybe. I'll just use that. And maybe layer something on top. I don't know what it could be yet. Okay, that doesn't really work. I'm just trying to find one that I can overlay the turtleneck here or not. If you don't want to, just select this and then enable turtleneck to kind of turn it off. Let me just change the gloves for something a little bit smaller like this one. And then for the outfit, I want it to be patterned maybe. Okay, maybe not that one. Maybe this one. Then I'm going to add in some pants. I'm just gonna add this first. Maybe a skirt actually. And then I'll use the skin tone again to mask that. Maybe I'll do a skirt actually. Oh, actually let me do some shorts. Like that. It's very hard to cover this, but just throw on a belt or something if you'd like to. That's pretty much it really. As you can see, now it looks like she's wearing a mask, which I think is pretty cool. Not from the side, but yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.